Okay, guys, pray for Geula. All right, Rami, what the heck are we doing on this video? Because you're absolutely gonna kill me for doing this. All right, my people, guess what? We have really good news. Here we are, we're in LA, it's Yom Yerushalayim in like a day, and there is nothing planned anywhere, and no one has anyone to do, and no one has anything to do for Yom Yerushalayim. So I had this great idea, and I called Rami, and I was like, Rami, we're gonna make a video because we're gonna give people a chance to help you go home to Israel because you just got the calling to make Aliyah. And this way, I'm like, dude, we're gonna invite the people to help bring you home.
Amen.
And you said to me, Neely, no way in heck. And I said, Rami, we're doing this because I can't go home right now, but you can, and we're gonna make it happen. So my friends, this is my dear friend, Rami. And Rami is going home. Rami is a single mother of 4 children, and she is ready to go home. Do you dab? What do you do when you go home? I don't know.
No, we go this.
Home is wherever I'm with you. So here's the thing. Rami is so responsible that she's got the airline tickets. She's got the apartments lined up. She has put in so much effort. And you would say, oh, but why are you asking for help? Like, does she work? Oh, Rami, do you work?
Yeah.
How much do you work? All day and all night? Yeah, basically, Rami's a mashgicha. She friggin' took a course. She was a chef. Then she became a mashgicha. She works in these dope restaurants in LA. You know, like all day, because like if you're a single mom, how else do you do it? I say, oh, but what about her family? Is her family helping? Oh yeah, look at that, they are. But how? How does one do it, right? Single woman over here could barely make it in Israel. So single mom of 4, we gonna hook it up, baby. So here is your opportunity, okay? I'm about to drop in a donation. She's gonna kill me. We've got a few donations lined up, and you might not have a way to support the rebuilding of Jerusalem. Now, Rami is like so embarrassed because she's like, what are you doing? But I'm like, we have a mitzvah to rebuild Jerusalem. Kol Yisrael Aravim Zeh Lazeh. And not only that, but not all of us can do it. And all of us are looking for a way to fulfill our national mission to come home. So if any of us can come home and it happens to be you, let's all support each other doing it. So that's why we're making this campaign. We're fundraising for the lift, right? This is a specific mission, and you should merit by contributing to this campaign that your stuff will also be carried home to Israel on eagle's wings, right? This is not about her. This is not about me. This is about all of us, our national mission, and she's just doing her part. And so I stepped in and I said, well, I want to do my part. She said, no. I said, yes. She said, no. I said, Rami, I'm coming over. Your daughter's going to throw balloons at us, and we're going to ask Am Yisrael to have this incredible opportunity to do a mitzvah to send your stuff. And that's the whole story, Morning Glory. What's another Yerushalayim song? Avir harim tzalul tayayim l'riachorani. Mommy's like, this is so embarrassing. I'm like, but I'm gonna like sing online and snort and make weird noises because this is a huge mitzvah and a huge opportunity. Yerushalayim shel zahav. We're so happy we have Jerusalem. V'shel nechosha, v'shel or. We're all going home. Too high a note. Oh, and there's one more thing that you should know. You should say, so why should we help? Like, what does she do? Well, actually, as you guys all know, because you're looking at my social media, I have spent the last 2 years pretty much in LA doing shiurim. Well, guess who hosted most of them? Rami. And these shiurim had between 50 to 200 people coming, and she kept hosting, and every time I said, does anyone know a host? It was Rami. What? Oh my God, but you just hosted last week. I'll do it again, it's Torah. I'll absolutely, if you need Torah, I'll host it. But not only that, she hosted our Purim party, she hosts Shabbat for everyone in the community, and she's just gonna go home and do this for the community in Jerusalem. So happy Yom Yerushalayim. This is an awesome way to celebrate Yerushalayim. We're rebuilding Yerushalayim. We love you, thank you, God bless. I love you, thank you.